Ukamengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ungene kwelase-Ukraine nesibalo sabaqaphi esingaphelele njengoba amanye amalunga aleli thimba asabambezelekile esikhumulweni sezindiza sasePoland. Indiza ebithwele abaqaphi abangaphezulu kwekhulu kanye nezibhamu yanqatshelwe ukuba yehlise abantu kuleli lizwe. Inhloko yethimba labaqaphi bakamengameli ujenene uWally Roda uthi uhulumeni wasePoland uzama ukuphazamisa imizamo kaRamaphosa kanye nabanye abaholi base-Afrika yokuletha uxolo phakathi kweRussia ne-Ukraine.
When he tried 4 hours to get to here, she was strip searched. It had never happened that we have strip searched anyone with a diplomatic passport just to get us out of here. Right? Now, they say we don't have permits. We have permits. The only difference is now they say we can't bring a copy of a permit. We must bring the original. Now, some of us have original permits. Right? The embassy here printed permits because I thought it's not necessary to have the original.
Lenhloko yethimba likamengameli sisole uhulumeni wasePoland ngokuzama amaqhinga okuphazamisa lolu hambo.
Now all of a sudden we must have originals. They are delaying us, right? They're putting out the life of our president in jeopardy because we could have been in Kiev this afternoon already, right? And this is what they are doing. And I want you guys to see this.